Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Beautiful condition. Tires are brand new. Vehicle looks amazing. Really nice shape. RS package uploaded, very sporty. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in outstanding condition. Look at that, really nice shape all the way through. Amazing condition. Let's take a look at the headlamps. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Look at that. Lower lights also in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Lower light in beautiful shape, very nice. Beautiful shape throughout. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, not a mark on it. Looks very nice. Really amazing condition. Does have a little dent right there. Didn't notice that before, but it does have a little dent. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition. Front door on the passenger side, amazing condition, looks clean throughout. Rear door on the passenger side also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, amazing condition. Take a look at those rear lights, beautiful condition. Hatches in beautiful shape, very nice. Take a look at the other tail light, beautiful condition. Rear bumpers in beautiful shape. The RS has a couple little features down there that's a shiny black. Usually it's not. That makes it an RS. Also this here, little finish there also, beautiful. All right, take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Just have a small little mark right there on the paint, nothing major. Front door, driver's side, amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice. All right, taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Windshield's in beautiful shape, looks brand new, really amazing shape. Roof is in beautiful condition, not a mark on it, outstanding shape, very nice. Take a look at the front windshield on this side, also in beautiful shape. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Looks really nice. This one here, we're getting the antenna for. It's missing a little antenna. That screws right in, no big deal. Rear glass looks good. Very nice condition. All right, that's pretty much it. That's our walk around on this one, 2025 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. Really nice condition, beautiful shape throughout. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, really nice. Beautiful shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the controller for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Armrest and everything looks brand new on this one. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Really nice. Got this two-tone with the stitching. Looks amazing. Really nice. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel. Looks beautiful. Really nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side. Door panel in the front. Door panel's in great shape. Beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice. Controls for the power window. Armrest is in great shape. Little pocket for storage. Just have a small little mark right here. Nothing major besides that. Taking a look at the front passenger seat. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks brand new. Brand new set of floor mats. Dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Take a look. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the armrest. Controls for the power window. Handles in beautiful shape. Rear seat, also the two-tone with the stitching. Looks amazing. Very nice. Full set of floor mats, really nice condition. Let's take a look at the liner on this one. Beautiful condition all the way through. It's really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the handle, beautiful shape. Controller for the power window. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats in beautiful condition. Very nice. Sporty look. Full set of floor mats. Amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're getting set to start this one up. This one has a key fob here that has lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Super nice. It's one of those keys that the key folds out like that. Super nice. All right, so this one we're going to put in the ignition here. We're going to go ahead and turn the key. Starts right up. AC is nice and cold. Works perfect. Feels amazing. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features of the one, but let's see the mileage. This one has 2,123 miles. This is a brand new car, 2025. Look at the mileage on this thing. Really nice. Beautiful display, RS display. See the gauges, says RS on it. Really nice. Shows you the RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. Super nice. It's got a little trigger thing here. You can go down and scan through here. Super nice. Okay, so let's look at some of the features on this one. So this one does have automatic lights right here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. On the steering wheel we have cruise control. It also has the collision alert thing here, so you can set that up. So we're going to leave it further away, that way it stops faster. Heated steering wheel, that's a nice feature. It's got the volume here for the radio, the favorites, so nice. All right, automatic transmission, super nice. RS model, look at that, it's a little RS there. Brake release is right there. There's the lane assist thing here. This to bypass the engine shut off, because usually these vehicles do shut off when they warm up. At the light, you can press that button there and bypass that, for it won't do it. You have your USBs here, really nice power plug there. Heated seats, look at that, for driver and passenger in the front. That's a nice feature. Manual AC controls, hazard button. Beautiful screen on this one, really nice condition. Front and rear wipers. This for the turning signals and the highlights. Let's test them out. Super nice. Okay, fully functional. It's got a little pocket there for storage. Inside here, a little bit more storage. Very nice. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. 2,000 miles in this one. This is like a brand new vehicle. Super nice. No excuses on this one. Very nice. Up above here you have your OnStar buttons, your controls for the lights, visor with mirror, super nice. Really nice condition. Let's take a quick look at the liner on this one. Liner's in beautiful shape, looks super clean. Beautiful combination inside. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the radio controls. You go audio right there. Shows you we have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth. Go back again to home. Phone, you can set up your phone for your Bluetooth and your audio. Right now there's no phone connected. Okay, and then Wi-Fi settings. There you go. You can subscribe to that if you like. Settings on the vehicle. You got your system, your display, your preferences. You got your apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, audio, and phone. This is really cool. It's got a lot of safety features on this one. Rear seat reminder, the collision detection. Let's take a look at that. It's got forward collision detection, pedestrian collision detection, lane change alert, parking assist, rear backup camera with parking symbol, and cross rear traffic alert. Super nice. Controls for the lighting, remote locks, team driver. You can set that up if you like. You got a team driving. Go back home again. Android CarPlay right there. Android Auto and CarPlay are right there. OnStar. This is the radio station we're on right now. If your phone was connected, it'll show you there it's connected. Over here it shows you the Wi-Fi. If you subscribe to that, take a look. It tells you the temperature, the time. Super nice. All right, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to pull out here. Let's go ahead and give it a little test drive here. We'll be drives really nice, feels super smooth. Really nice drive. Good acceleration. You heard that beeping noise? It was letting me know I was rolling out of the lane. It's like a lane assist. Super nice. Let's check the brakes on this one. Brakes feel good. Stops really nice. Really great drive. Really beautiful display. Super smooth. Check the brakes again. Stops super nice. Super quick. Look at that. Really nice drive. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and check out the backup camera. Find a spot to park really quick. And then that'll conclude our test drive. Go. Let's check it out. Super nice. Now we go ahead and we put it in reverse. Look at that screen. Amazing. And then those lines there, when you turn them, it lets you know which way the vehicle is going to roll back. It's a really nice feature. Now this one has parking sensors. So it's letting us know there's some bushes back there. Then you get this on the display here, showing you when you're getting close to something back there. It'll keep beeping and it'll show you how close you can get. Super nice. Really nice. Okay, that's pretty much our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Really great shape all the way through. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the spare tire. Spare tire with all the tools. Very nice. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Brand new. Look at that. Very nice condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. Super, super clean. Look at that. Looks beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the emission sticker. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful condition under the hood. All the way through. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front driver's side tire. Tire looks amazing. Brand new condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire looks brand new. Rim is clean and in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice shape all the way through. Let's have a tiny little mark right there. Besides that, it's an amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. Look at that. Rim is in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.